Hello friends, today we will discuss what is operating cost in business and in manufacturing or service industry. What are fixed and variable cost, how to calculate with example, why it is necessary to control it, and we will also know which costs are included and excluded in operating cost. What is operating cost? Operating cost are the expenses a business spend to produce and sell a product to the customer or to provide service to the customer. Businesses are of two types, either it is manufacturing or service, so they have the same platform but way to calculate is different. In manufacturing, operating cost is equal to operating expenses plus selling cost of goods sold. If business is service provider, then operating cost is operational expenses to provide services. Now, what is operating expenses? Operating expenses are fixed cost plus variable cost, and selling cost is transportation cost to transport the product to the customer plus overhead expenses to transport the material to customer or providing the service to customer. Sometimes selling cost is included in variable cost if our plant operation or service is small. So operating cost is the cost of producing the product in manufacturing and then transporting it to customer. And in service industry, operational cost to provide the service to customer. What is fixed cost? Fixed cost is one that does not change with an increase or decrease in sales or productivity of a company and must be paid irrespective of company's activity or performance, whether plant operation is closed or running at 100% capacity. It will be paid irrespective of plant operations. What are these? Like rent, office rent, plant rent, machinery, warehouse, agara vagara. Now insurance charges also in fixed cost. Now bank charges also fixed cost part. Sales and marketing, advertisement cost, travel cost, direct mailing cost, sales material cost such as vouchers, and entertainment cost. These are the sales and marketing cost. And e-commerce costs like ERP implementing in our company or charges of that, cloud storage for our company's data, website charges, e-service we are taking from the different e-service providers. These are the e-commerce charges. Some R&D expenses which are not capitalized means we are not purchasing machines agara vagara, but still we are doing some R&D expenses. Legal fees and security charges are the fixed cost which to be paid irrespective of plant performance. It is fixed. अगर हमने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट लगा ली या कोई भी सर्विस प्रोवाइडिंग इंडस्ट्री हमने शुरू कर दी है, तो अगर कुछ बेचे या ना बेचें, कुछ भी बनाएं या ना बनाएं, पर खर्चा तो होगा ही। इसलिए इस पे फिक्स कॉस्ट पे ध्यान देना बहुत जरूरी है ताकि खर्चों को हम स्टार्टिंग से ही कंट्रोल कर सकें। व्हाट इज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट? वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज ए कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपेंस दैट चेंजेस इन प्रोपोर्शन टू हाउ मच ए कंपनी प्रोड्यूस और सेल ए प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस। सो वेरिएबल कॉस्ट increases or decreases depending on company's production or sale volume. They rise as production increases or they fall as production decreases. Example, variable cost include a manufacturing company's cost of raw material and packaging cost, or retail companies credit card transactions, fees and shipping expenses which rise or fall with the sale. So total variable cost is equal to total quantity of output produced or output into variable cost per unit of output. Type of variable cost. First, raw material cost, which count highest of all the cost. Raw material used to process and make a sellable finished good from a company. So raw material used have some cost that is called raw material cost. Then salary and wages and benefits, different compensation provided to non-production employees, production employees, white collar salary and wages, and blue collar salary and wages, sales commissions, all these part of the salary and wages. Now admin cost, admin expenses, admin cost, utility cost, accounting expenditure, property tax, depreciation of non-production area, legal fee, office supplies, insurance cost of machineries, repair cost of non-production facilities or civil work, rent for non-production facilities, property tax, agara vagara. Now repair and maintenance cost, because some cost involved with the repair and maintenance of the plant and machinery, that is repair and maintenance cost. We will discuss this in detail in our last slide. Then utility cost include electricity, water and other facilities, canteen agara vagara. Then transportation cost, freight in, freight out. Then consumable cost, we use consumables to produce raw material to finished good. So consumable used in processing manufacturing is called as consumable cost. Then cost of poor quality is also rework cost, repair cost, customer repair cost, agara vagara. दीज आर दी टाइप ऑफ वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। हम लेते हैं वेरिएबल कॉस्ट में रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट होगी, सैलरी एंड वेजेस हो गया, कंपनसेशन हो गया टू एम्प्लॉय, रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस हो गया, एडमिन एक्सपेंसेस हो गया, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट होगी, कंज्यूमेबल कॉस्ट होगी, और कॉस्ट ऑफ पुअर क्वालिटी होगी, और यूटिलिटी कॉस्ट। Now let us take an example. We have taken 3 month data. June's production quantities 100 pieces. In July production quantities 50 pieces. And August production quantities again 100 pieces. Now we see if we compare June data and August data, production is same 100 and 100. If we compare the fixed cost and variable cost, the fixed cost will be same for the both month is 100 and for August is also 100. But variable cost for the June is 1000 and for the August is 1100. This is an example. So we have seen fixed cost will remain unchanged and variable cost will change. Operating cost exclude. Operating cost do not include capital expenditure or depreciation, interest, investment, or foreign currency translation. What do you mean by capex? Capex are the expenses which a business made to purchase as an investment, and capital expenditure includes cost related to acquiring or upgrading tangible and intangible assets. What are tangible assets and intangible assets? Tangible business assets include real estate, factory equipment, computers, office furniture, and other physical capital assets, whether it is building or etc. Intangible assets includes intellectual property, copyright, patent, trademark, वगैरह वगैरह. Operating costs do not include depreciation of existing assets, any new purchase of machinery, tools, and other equipments, construction of new building, laptop, computer, furniture, canteen, assets purchase, and making and construction of rack, bin, trolley for parts, intangible, copyright, patent, trademark, वगैरह वगैरह. These are the assets which are not included in operating cost. Now, how to calculate operating cost and what are the costs involved in operating cost while calculating operating cost? Let us discuss. Take a live example of manufacturing unit to calculate operating cost. All data shown in is in crore and budget data taken for comparison as a master data, which we calculate and predict in start of the financial year, and actual data is for the current month. Data shown is for the reference only, and discussing all the figure is not possible to discuss in short period of time. So I will discuss particulars and description and head. So sale, our product sale, other income from selling of raw material, machinery, or other assets, agara vagara. So net sale is shown as 226. Now dividend we have not paid. Total sale is 226.94. So variable cost, raw material cost. Raw material used in making this sale is our raw material cost. Store and tools, consumable we use to process the parts we have sold. Contract wages, piece rate, agara vagara. Salary and wages, white collar, blue collar. Repair and maintenance, machine spare, tool spare, वगैरह वगैरह. Power and fuels, electricity bill, water bill, diesel, gas use, admin and general expense, taxi, pantry, welfare, park maintenance, structural repair, canteen, legal, वगैरह वगैरह. And selling and distribution, transportation, planned and unplanned both, packing, cost of poor quality, marketing, etc. और फिक्स कॉस्ट इज इंश्योरेंस, सिक्योरिटी, रेंट वगैरह वगैरह. सो आवर ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट इज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट प्लस फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट एंड saving we have made through yield improvement, productivity improvement, part making from scrap, saving RM, agara vagara. Why is operating cost controlling is required? As we know, every business run for money making or profit. Our profit is revenue minus company spend to operate. As we know, our profit increases if sale increases. That is, we are utilizing our all resources, or we are reducing our operating cost. As we know, profit depend upon reduction of two things, either operating cost or sales and marketing cost. So operating cost is required to control in for two reasons. First, for making profit, and sometime second is sometime operating manager cut operating cost to get quick result in short term, but in long run it will affect machine health, employee morale, even reduces productivity, poor quality of product in long run. Also it will hurt company's health. Second cost is advertisement and marketing cost in operating cost. If we cut down this cost for the short term gain, or we can say for the profit gain, profit will increase since spending less on operating cost. At the same time, we are losing opportunities for the new business, so earning in the future will suffer. Management must review its operational, marketing, product and financial strategy by budget forecasting in each financial year. So as we have seen in the graph, amount and time is shown as the two part. Sale grow, our operating cost decreases, profit increases. As shown in the graph, operating cost should reduce with the sale, with the time, and profit should increase. So वी हैव टू फोकस एंड कंट्रोल ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट टू मेक दिस ग्राफ रियलिटी। तो दोस्तों जहां पे भी आप जिस भी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं तो एक बार ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट कैलकुलेट करके देखिएगा जरूर, और इस जो फार्मूला बताया है इसको आप आजमाइएगा जरूर। थैंक यू वेरी मच। प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। थैंक यू वेरी मच।